That'll wake me up.
Maybe it's going to be that big old 17-inch vermilion.
Could be.
Really like that?
I don't think so. Getting close to 12 o'clock, maybe. Oh, guess what?
Vermilion!
It's red.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a good size net. Oh, yeah. Keeper.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a nice fat one.
Holy smokes.
Yeah, that's good. All right.
You got to catch some more of those.
Yeah.
That's as big as last week's.
17 inches was last week.
Measure this one. Let's see what it is.
Oh, boy, you got stickers.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, good.
Oh,
Nope, that's smaller.
15.
15, yeah. Oh, that's okay.
That is pretty,
There you
isn't
go.
it?
Always pretty.
Yeah.
Let me zoom in on him.
I ran out of film.
That's
I left
all
my
right.
camera at home. Woo-wee. Be pretty, huh?
That is.
Oh, man. That makes my day.
We sure had to wait a long time for him, though.
Well, look at the lure.
Yeah,
Likes it.
that one has been lucky. I've got a couple of those.
Pretty good size. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, don't be throwing them back in quite yet.
Wants to get in my pocket. Okay.
All right.
It was 15, right?
Yeah.
15. Maybe you can get 16 by now.
Woo-wee.